Hey guys, Artistic Queen 13 here. So today for my video I've decided to make a tutorial on how to make this Kiwi symmetry word design. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our Procreate homepage. We're going to create a new canvas. This little plus button right here. I'm going to make mine my screen size. That's going to open up. So the first thing we're going to do is drag the black onto the canvas just to make it a black screen. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my drawing guide. I'm going to edit it, go over here to symmetry, rotational symmetry, and then radial, and that's going to give us all of these 8 quadrants. So the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to create the center. So we're going to go over here, choose white, and then I'm going to use the round brush at about here. See, you can make a bunch of different lines and stuff. Like that. So what I'm going to do first is zoom in far enough where I can get a good circular outline. And then we're going to fill that in. And then I would like mine to be just a little smaller. So we're going to go in and just take away some of this white here, just like so. That seems like pretty good size. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to make the seeds. So my seeds are going to go from the middle out, so little tiny teardrops. Just like this, all the way to the edge of your circle. And these little teardrops will be the seeds in the middle. I'm going to shrink my circle just a little bit more, probably to about maybe there. And then get rid of all this white over here. Our next step is to start writing the words. So I'm going to go over here, pick my green. I'm going to start from the center out so that I can see better where everything is going to end up. So we're going to make a line, hold down the line so that it becomes straight. And then we're going to also make 2 horizontal lines on the top and the bottom of the eye. Then we're going to go back and make our W, again holding down our line to make it straight. And then like before, adding those lines to the top and bottom. So 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. And then we're going to make another eye the exact same way that we did before, with 1 line on the bottom and 1 line on the top. So the next step is we're going to make the K. Now the K is going to be a little bit different. So we're going to make our K lines just like this. And then we're going to add our 2 lines on the bottom and the top. And then we're going to switch to brown, because that's going to be our skin color of the kiwi skin. And then we're going to just put this brown here, add the line to the top and the bottom, and there you have it. And then your next step would be to go over here, turn off your assisted drawings, and then turn this off, and there you have a kiwi word art. So let me guys know what you think in the comments below, and give me other words to use or other ideas for videos, and I will try my best to make it happen. Like, subscribe, and comment, guys. Love you. Bye.